Well, I'm at the IDX stand here at IBC 2019, and the man we like to speak to is Mr. Robert Holland. Hi, Robert.
Hiya, John. How's you?
I'm very good, thank you. As always, showing a lot this year on your stand, but we're going to concentrate particularly on the new Imicro range of batteries. So tell us about those.
Okay, the Imicro is probably been developed specifically for customer demand. We had a lot of customers asking us for the smaller form factor battery to suit the DSLR type product market. So what we've done, we're just showing for the first time in the world, I believe, the Imicro range, which is based around a 98 and a 150. So the Imicro 98 and the Imicro 150. 97 watt hours and 147 watt hour batteries with dual D-tap outputs. That's including a advanced D-tap. So you remember from previous conversations, the advanced is both charger and as an output. Included in it is the V-torch for illuminating V-plates in dark areas, helping people sort kit through. And in addition to that, it's also got the digital information for DigiView, so giving viewfinder information up onto the camera screens where applicable. So fairly comprehensively set up. In addition to that, obviously with the smaller form batteries, we've produced the PV micro plate, which is single plate with both D-tap and a USB-C output. So taking it off to the adapters. So once it's on the Imicro plate, PV Micro, you've got two D-taps, an additional D-tap and a USB-C output. That plate can fit onto the cheese plate, which is on display as well. There's a lot of people though with standard form V-plates, so our PV2 format, and what we can do then is we can use a hot swap plate. So that's the AV Micro 2, as you can see up on the wall. The AV Micro 2 takes either of the batteries times 2, gives us an indication of which battery is being used and allows us to visually see which battery is running low. So then the customer can transfer that battery off, take off the lower powered battery, place on a new battery and seamlessly carry on filming so there's no interruption in any of the shots. In addition, if they've got a live show where they've got a natural break, they can then press a button, force the battery over to the fully charged one and do a swap out at the appropriate time. So they haven't got to wait for the plate. So that's fairly important. Again, with that plate, they get an additional 2 D-tap outputs and a USB micro. Also important on that plate is we can take that plate from the camera, place it onto the charger, and then any standard IDX charger will actually charge 2 batteries on a single port in a synchronous manner. So theoretically a 2-channel charger suddenly can charge 4 batteries, blah-de-blah-de-blah. So quite a comprehensive range, which I think will have more to come later.
Brilliant, absolutely superb range of products as always from you guys. Again, this is the first time we've seen these. When can we start to expect to see them out in the wild?
Out in the wild, so to speak, all across Europe. Before the end of the year, that's the batteries, and then the plates will be available just shortly after that.
Brilliant, thanks Robert. Now obviously people can come and see you here at IBC. If they weren't able to get here, is there a website they can go to?
There certainly is. It's www.idx-europe.co.uk.
Thank you very much, Robert. Well, there you have it. The amazing new Imicro range of batteries and accessories, shall we call them, here from IDX. Don't forget to check out the website for more info. For more from us here at IBC 2019, have a look at KITPLUS.com.